Hey guys, what are you guys doing? Why do you guys look so stressful?
Can you please shut up, Badam? We are so stressed.
Actually, we are worried about our assignment. We have an assignment for our geometry subject that must be submitted in 2 weeks. Our task is to look for any application of geometry that can be implemented in our life. The problem is we are still unable to find any application of geometry in our life.
Whoa, calm down guys. Okay, how about this? How about I give you an idea, then you need to buy me an ice cream, eh?
Ice cream? No. You have to buy it by yourself.
That is so mean. It's okay lah, I help lah. Have you heard about bangunan guna sama Persekutuan Seri Manjung?
Let me check it out about the buildings. Bangunan Gunasama Persekutuan Seri Manjung is a government building that located in front of Medan Selera Seri Manjung. This building provide many facilities, services as Pejabat Jabatan Daftaran Negara (JPN), Pejabat Jabatan Tenaga Kerja (JTK), Pejabat Suruhanjaya Koperasi Malaysia (SKM), Pejabat Belia Sukan Daerah Manjung, Pejabat Jabatan Laut Malaysia (AADK) and many others.
Aha! I just got some new information about this building. And I will share it to both of you. This building contains 3 kinds of shapes. The first one is triangle. They use scalene triangle to build the rooftop. The second shape is on the windows. We can see that the windows is square, right? So that they use square shape to make the windows. The last one is the body of the building. They use rectangle shape to make the body.
This building has 5 floors in total, which is the ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and the fourth floor. We can find the area and volume of this building by using the plan for each floor. The ground floor until the third floor have the same plan, which is this area. The fourth floor plan is a bit different, which is the area that we need to find is just the rectangle in the middle. There are 3 rectangles with different size, which is 1, 2 and 3. The formula to find the area is width times length. So for the first rectangle is 8.5 times 8.1, so you will get 68.85 meters square. But you need to times with 2 because there is 2 areas with this rectangle, which is this side and this side. For the second rectangle is 25.5 times 22.825, you will get 582.0375 meters square, and you need to times with 2 and you will get this value. For the third rectangle is 33.038 times 18.711, you will get 618.1773 meters square. So the total for the ground floor is 1919.952 meters square. Then you need to times with 4 because the ground floor until the third floor have the same area, so you will get this value. The area for the fourth floor is 33.038 times with 18.711, you will get 618.1773 meters square. So the total area for the buildings is 8,297.985 meters square. Next is the volume of the buildings. The formula is width times length times height, and the given height for each floor is 3 meters. So there are 3 different sizes of rectangle. For the first rectangle is 8.1 times 8.5 times 3, you will get 206.55 meter cube. For the second rectangle is 25.5 times 22.825 times 3, you will get 1746.1125 meter cube. For the third rectangle is 33.038 times 18.711 times 3, you will get 1854.5221 meter cube. So the volume of the ground floor is 2 times 206.55 plus 2 times 1746.1125 plus 1854.5221, and you will get this value. The volume of the ground floor need to times with 4 because there are 4 floors with the same volume. Then the volume of the fourth floor is 1854.5221 meter cube. So the total volume of the building is 24,893.911 meter cube.
Madam, can you give us any idea about our assignment?
Another opinion How about you guys do geometry application in sport? I know exactly the person who can help you. Hey Fahim, can you help us? Can you explain to us about geometry application but in sport? How about doing in rugby field?
You want me to explain to you about rugby field? Sure, thank you. There's many geometry applications in rugby field. Let's watch together.
The dimension of a rugby pitch in meters are usually 100 meter from goal line to goal line and a width of 70 meter. The layout also has an additional 6 to 22 meter at each end for the in-goal area, measured from goal line to dead ball line. How long is a rugby pitch? A rugby pitch must have maximum 144 meter and minimum 106 meter. How wide is a rugby pitch? A rugby pitch must have maximum 70 meter wide and minimum 68 meter wide. There has many lines in rugby, such as the goal line. It is also known as the try line. In a rugby, a try is a way of scoring. 22 meter line is called 22 meter line because it is 22 meter from goal line. Halfway line. The halfway line divides the field of play into equal ends. The dead ball line. The dead ball line marks the end of the in-goal area and field of play. The goal post. Rugby goalposts are placed in the middle of the goal line at the post end of the field. Rugby post dimensions are usually measured in meters. The top edge of the crossbar on rugby goalpost must be 3 meters above the ground. The minimum height for each post is 3.4 meters and they must be placed 5.6 meters apart. Playing area. For rugby field, the total length is 106 meter to 144 meters length, and the width is 68 meter to 70 meter. So, if we calculate minimum size of rugby field, the total length is 106 meter multiply the width 68 meter equal to 7,208 square meter of area playing. If we calculate the maximum size for rugby fields, the total line is 144 meter multiplied the width 70 meter equal to 10,008 80 square meter of playing area. The conclusion is the play area of rugby field is from 7,208 square meter to 10,080 square meter. In rugby, the player can score above the top edge of the crossbar on rugby goalpost. So, if we calculate the score area at the goalpost, the length is 0.4 meters multiply the width 5.6 meter equal to 2.24 square meter.
Wow, you know everything, buddy. That's my brother.
Okay lah, let's go upstairs to complete our assignment. Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, so how's the video? Is it good? So if you like the video, you can give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also their channel. Okay, so in conclusion, geometry application is very vital in our life. It has been used widely not only in buildings but also in sport. Hence, it is observed that geometry application can even affect in our basic daily life. So remember, geometry application is very important in our life.